settle down. Let's talk about this, please.
There's nothing to talk about. I have nothing to say to you.
So you're just gonna walk out on me, huh?
Yeah, and I'm not coming back again.
Honey, just listen to me.
Get out of my way!
She is driving me crazy. Should I chase her? Nah, I just let her go. Things aren't like they used to be, you know? Back when we watched the water flow. Down by the seashore is where we would lay. We go there no more, but I'ma walk down there today, holding her hand down the boardwalk. This beautiful girl begins to talk. Bare feet in the sand, and every night the queen of the land, rising moonlight. Watch the water flow, watching the water flow. Watch the water flow, watching the water flow. Water.
I remember watching the sun melt slowly into the ocean, waves crashing onto the shore. Other than the exceptional whisper, we tossed away our words, along with our clothes, even our socks long gone. The one chosen shoe would hold the booze. We spent the night mooning the moon.
I'm here all alone, with no one to take home. I wanna bury my bones and lean on the